Lash with me while I explain to you 5 reasons why you're having lash retention issues. So number 1 is that your temperature and humidity is off. This will either cause your glue to dry too fast or not fast enough. So it's so important that your environment matches your glue. That way it can work effectively. Number 2 is that you're not shaking your glue or changing it out enough. So in order for your glue to work well, the ingredients have to be mixed properly. And when it starts getting goopy, you have to switch it out for a new glue dot so that you're always using fresh adhesive at all times. Number 3 is improper placement. This can mean that your bases are lifting or the lashes just aren't fully bonded to the natural lashes. The bases have to be fully bonded or else the lashes will just pop off super easily, causing poor retention. Number 4 is prepping the lashes with a lash bath. The natural lashes are your canvas, so you have to make sure that you have a really clean base to work on. If you don't, the lashes will just stick to the dirt and the debris and the oil, and this will cause the adhesive to break down a lot faster, which means faster lash fallout. And number 5, you're using super low quality products. As we all know, the lower quality the products, the faster it'll fall out. It will affect the bonding of the lashes, and it won't only show in how poor the retention is, but you're also going to see it in just the result of the lashes. So try out all of those tips and watch your lash retention get so much better. And if you want to learn a lot more about lash retention, then get the Mauvella lash retention ebook because it's honestly a game changer.